So I'm going to take a little bit of the Ebony, which is the darkest color of foundation that we have, and I'm just going to put a little bit on different areas of the face and show you how we can contour. So I've gone under the cheekbone, and I'm just working that product in slightly with my Illumalift brush, which is super soft. So I'm just pressing that product forward, and you're seeing a beautiful contour cheekbone quite easily. You can also go alongside the nose. Now, Davina has the most beautiful eyebrows on the planet, but if you have eyebrows like mine, you can also use the Ebony, and you can go in and fill in the brows very easily.